What's up, guys? This is Fresco VK live here at Stadium Goods, and we're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, so please feel free to pull up. Special unboxing for you guys today. All-Star 2020 brought to us the Virgil Abloh Off-White Air Jordan 5. So say less with all this talking. Let's get straight to these shoes. One of the premier releases of All-Star 2020, which just recently passed in Chicago, is the Off-White Air Jordan 5, and that's what we have right here. So here we have the box top. You'll see the Jumpman logo here, and of course the window hits here all throughout the shoe, on the side and on the back. Kind of mirrors a lot of the other Virgil Off-White collaboration box styles. And here we have the packaging. So you'll see the Jumpman logo right there, along with the Off-White branding. I believe it says year 2013. I believe that's the year that Off-White was founded. So let's slide this to the side and get to these shoes. I actually kind of like these. Here we have the Off-White Air Jordan 5 in the black colorway. And we've seen Virgil throughout this entire All-Star weekend wear the plot twist, which is the white colorway of this shoe. But of course today we're talking black. So here, you'll see mirror details of the metallic Air Jordan 5, but with Virgil's twist, of course. So one of the main things to call out that we always have to call on Jordan 5 is the zip tie, but the zip tie on this one is black. I have not seen a black zip tie on an Off-White shoe yet. If you have, let me know which one that is, and I hope it's real, but that's neither here nor there. So we have the translucent hits throughout the entire upper. The overlay is like a mesh translucent material. And also we have the window aesthetic that is the same aesthetic featured on the box. Also reminds me a lot of the Jordan 2010 with the window hits on the inner and outer panels of the shoe. And this has actually been seen on the internet being customized by Virgil. So you can cut this one out if you choose to, if you don't. We have the 23 right there on the back outer panel. We have the back tab, which reads the Nike Air, classic to the Air Jordan 5. We also have another translucent eyelets where the lace areas are, and we feature the black laces you'll see here. We have the lace lock, which is also translucent, slightly yellowing, but we'll get to the yellowing details in a minute. Here we have the tongue, Jumpman logo, reflective tongue. And of course, we're used to Virgil and the exposed foam detailing that he normally has in the shoe. So you'll see the exposed foam detailing right in that tongue area also. So the inner panel, of course, features the year of production of the original shoe. So this under this detailing here will say Off-White, Beaverton, Oregon, circa 1990. Of course, the original Air Jordan 5 released in 1990. So we'll get to the outsole here. Another one of the yellowing details that I spoke to you guys about just a second ago. So the full outsole has the kind of like it's been worn in. So it's not the clear translucent, it's like a yellow translucent, and then it has a slightly darker translucent in that middle area here with the Nike and of course the Jumpman logo. Another detail that I missed out on is the additional laces. So these come with a red lace and also like a sail colored lace or off-white, no pun intended. And it features the shoelaces on each foot. Before we close out the Off-White Air Jordan 5, can't forget the babies. And Fresco loves the kids. But we have the infants and toddler sizes also in the Off-White Air Jordan 5, and it mirrors the men's sizing. So you'll see the zip tie right here, which is actually bigger than the entire shoe. The 3M detailing on the tongue, this is a fly baby. And even cooler, we've got the additional set of baby laces that also read shoelaces on them. So not only are you gonna get these for the bigger gents and ladies, but also for the babies. So as we close out, we're gonna jump into the 30-year celebration of the Air Jordan 5. So this year in 2020, we celebrate the 30th anniversary of the Air Jordan 5, which was released originally, like I mentioned earlier, in 1990. Since 1990, we've seen multiple retros and various reiterations of the Air Jordan 5, whether it be the trophy room or one of my favorite, the Dorenbeck Air Jordan 5. Make sure y'all check out that story on the Dorenbeck Air Jordan 5. It's so touching. But we've seen various retros of one of the most popular and pretty much one of the inspirations for the Off-White 5s is the original metallic black Air Jordan 5. So this shoe has been retroed multiple times. I want to say 2007, 2011, 2016, even the year 2000. So there's been, I want to say 4 retros of the metallic black Air Jordan 5. Some feature the classic No 23 on the outer panel, and some do feature, I believe the 2007 and 11 feature the 23 on the outer panel. And I just brought this one up because this is another take on the metallic Air Jordan 5 with a slight twist. So this is the Raging Bull pack. As you can see, like all the Air Jordan 5s I hold in my hand, these all pretty much mirror each other in regards to detailing and aesthetic. But the Air Jordan 5 Raging Bull was just buried in 3M. So the whole coat on the entire Abloh is all 3M, but it features the 23 on the side. So you'll see the connection between the originals, or original retro, another reiteration of the retro, and the remix that Virgil brings to us with the Off-White Air Jordan 5. So please jump in the comments and let me know what you guys think of the new Off-White Air Jordan 5, and what are the other collaborations do you expect to see in 2020 from the Off-White and Nike collection. But we have these along with multiple other Jordan 5 styles right here at Stadium Goods, and we're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, so please feel free to pull up. Thank you guys for liking and sharing all of our videos on Facebook, YouTube, and now of course Instagram TV. Make sure you got space in your phone to download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and on Android. Follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms, and do not forget to check out Stadium Women. Hi Cammie. And last but not least, if you have any questions regarding anything Stadium Goods, please make sure you visit stadiumgoods.com. I am Fresco BK, and I'm out.